Hello and welcome to Volkswagen Van Centre Liverpool. I'm Rachel and today I'm going to show you around this Volkswagen Transporter T28 Commerce Pro in stone grey. It is powered by a 2-litre TDI diesel engine with 7-speed DSG automatic transmission. This model is fitted with the Leighton Kit, giving it a striking road presence. The kit includes 20-inch Leighton alloy wheels, lowered suspension, side bars, a rear spoiler and a black front grille, a combination which transforms this van into a head-turning commercial vehicle. On the road, convenience and safety are top priorities. The van features black power-folding heated door mirrors, upgraded automatic LED headlamps, a 360-degree view camera, and front and rear parking sensors, all designed to simplify manoeuvring and enhance visibility in any driving environment. The load area is easily accessible through a rear tailgate and side sliding door, making daily operations more efficient. Entering through the driver's side, you will find that the controls for features such as the windows, mirrors, lights and keyless start are all located conveniently. Driver comfort is ensured with a multi-function leather-wrapped steering wheel and adaptive cruise control, which make longer trips more relaxed. The driver will also benefit from Volkswagen's digital cockpit, which displays information in a modern, easy-to-read and customisable way. The interior is packed with technology to keep you connected throughout the day, including DAB+ digital radio reception, Volkswagen App Connect with smartphone integration, a Bluetooth mobile phone interface, and a wireless charging pad for added convenience. From the screen you can also view vehicle information, adjust your climate controls, and make the most of the camera system whilst manoeuvring, as well as much more. Moving away from the screen you will find the wireless device charging pad, and there are storage and USB ports around the cab for further convenience. This has been a presentation of the Transporter T28 Commerce Pro that is now available to purchase from Volkswagen Van Centre Liverpool. For more information, please get in touch with our sales team.